Awka or Abakaliki, which city offers more opportunities and security? Hello, Ebonyi people. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Ebonyi People TV, where we keep it real, break down the details, and help you make the best choices for work, life, and everything in between. So today, we're diving into a question that's got a lot of people thinking lately. Awka or Abakaliki? Which city should you pick when it comes to opportunities and, of course, security? Now, if you're from the southeast of Nigeria or looking to move here, you've probably already heard great things about both cities, right? But where will you thrive personally? That's what we're here to find out. So grab a seat, sit back, and let's get right into it. Alright, first off, let's get to know each of the cities better. Awka, the capital of Anambra State, is that city known for its blend of tradition and progress. It's a city with deep roots in Igbo culture, but also bustling with activity and growth. With big markets, higher institutions like Nnamdi Azikiwe University, and a growing tech scene, Awka has built itself a place where people can pursue their dreams. Then we have our very own Abakaliki, the pride of Ebonyi State. Some call it the salt of the nation because of its rich salt deposit and agricultural strength. This city is growing so fast, with the establishment of Ebonyi State University, various agricultural initiatives, and some serious government infrastructure projects currently ongoing. Abakaliki is no longer a quiet town as it used to be. It's stepping up as a city on the rise. So, you've got two great cities, each with its unique charm. But when it comes to real-life opportunities and security, where should you set up shop? Let's talk about the job and business scene, starting with Awka. Awka is an interesting city because it has a wide range of industries, from tech startups to the more traditional trading and education sectors. With a big student population and many young professionals, Awka's got a bit of that bustling energy that helps create opportunities. The markets are booming and there are small to medium enterprises popping up all over the place. And if you're into tech or education, Awka has some solid options. Plus, the government has recently shown a commitment to supporting local businesses, which is a huge plus. But now, let's move to Abakaliki. This is a city where opportunities are evolving quickly, especially in agriculture and government projects. If you're interested in agribusiness, Abakaliki is your spot. Ebonyi is big on rice production and farming in general, which means there's a lot of room for growth in agro-based businesses. And with recent improvements in infrastructure, the government is creating a more business-friendly environment, helping startups and other industries take off. Let's get real for a second. If you are an entrepreneur thinking about opening up a shop or a service, Abakaliki is definitely less saturated than Awka, meaning there's room for something new, something different. But if you're the kind who thrives in a larger market with a lot of competition, then Awka might be more suitable for you. So it really comes down to the kind of opportunities you are after. Alright, let's talk money, because we all know that's a big factor. When it comes to the cost of living, Awka and Abakaliki are in two different leagues. Awka has a more established urban vibe, and that often comes with a higher price tag, right? Rent, food, transportation, it all adds up pretty quickly in Awka, especially if you're aiming for something more than the bare minimum. But you do get a bit of an advantage with accessibility to amenities, hangout spots, and entertainment. Meanwhile, Abakaliki is still catching up in some areas, which means the cost of living is generally lower. You can find reasonably priced accommodation, local food that's affordable, and transport options that won't eat too much into your budget. So, if you're looking to stretch your naira, Abakaliki is definitely the place to consider. Now, let's talk security, which is a crucial part of choosing where to live or work. In Awka, like in many urban centers, security can be a mixed bag. With a bigger population and a more active nightlife, there can be some security concerns. However, the government and community leaders have been working to maintain peace and stability. Awka has a fair amount of police presence and neighborhood watch groups, which helps keep things in check. Switching over to Abakaliki, the city has its challenges, but it's also generally quieter with a lower crime rate. Thanks to Ebonyi State's emphasis emphasis on security. Abakaliki has seen improvements with government initiatives aiming to maintain peace and safety, especially around developing areas. Some locals will even tell you they feel safe moving around at night, which says a whole lot about the level of security in Abakaliki. Both cities have their strong points, but Abakaliki edges ahead with a bit more calm and fewer incidents overall. So, if a peaceful environment is high on your list, Abakaliki might just win this round. Of course, life isn't just about work and security. We all need to unwind and enjoy ourselves too. Awka, being more urbanized, has quite a few hotspots, from restaurants and clubs to event centers. It's definitely a more social city, and with a younger crowd, you find a lively scene here. There's always something happening, whether it's music events, traditional festivals, or just some good old nightlife. Abakaliki, on the other hand, is quieter but no less interesting. We've got our own vibe here with traditional sports, local restaurants, and a growing number of modern entertainment options. It's not as wild as Awka, but it's got that grounded community feel, which make people love. And don't forget, Abakaliki hosts some amazing cultural festivals that showcase the rich heritage of Ebonyi State. So, the good people of Ebonyi People TV, the question still stands: Awka or Abakaliki? It's a close call, right? Both cities bring something different to the table. Awka is buzzing with urban energy, great for those looking to dive into a competitive market or who love a vibrant social life. On the other hand, Abakaliki is a hidden gem with room to grow, offering lower living costs, a quieter lifestyle, and incredible opportunities in agriculture and business. If you're all about high energy and city life, Awka might just be calling your name, okay? But if you're drawn to potential growth, security, and a place that feels like home, Abakaliki has so much to offer, and it's only getting better by the day. Either way, you really can't go wrong with either city. And before we wrap up, just a quick reminder for you all out there. Ebonyi People TV is here to keep bringing you this insight, but we're also available for event coverage. We want to be part of your big moments, helping capture memories that last. And if you love what we're doing here, feel free to reach out and show your support. Every little bit helps us to keep the content coming. That's it from us today, Ebonyi People TV viewers. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Which city would you choose and why? Don't forget to like and share and subscribe so you never miss out on what's happening right here in the Southeast. Until next time, stay safe and keep it real. See you in our next video.